Morning everyone. Coffee time again. Like the song says, it keeps me high. Today will be a gardening day. I need to put in a few seeds, coriander, parsley, watercress, tomatoes. But first, let's take a walk down to the beach. After a nice brisk walk and a glass of water, I'm now ready to tackle the garden. Here you can see how healthy the bean plants are, and they grow in the shade. There's almost never sun there, and they're doing quite well. I get quite a good amount of beans at one time that I can use, so it makes me happy to see that something is growing. Otherwise, I will just leave it. If it's not growing in my garden, I'm not trying it again. Here's a few new ones, and sometimes I leave one or two on the plant to let them dry out so I can get seeds again.
Taking my time, giving to me, paint my life into a masterpiece, coloring it how I want it to be. Won't stop till I see what I want to see.
Down at the coastal regions, you normally need to keep your seeds a little bit drier than normal. What I do is I just fold them over once or twice, use a peg to close them up with, put them inside my wooden box, and sometimes I get a few seeds from a neighbor or from my sister-in-law or from a friend, and what I do is I put it in an envelope and seal it up. And then once I need to plant, then I will try it out. If it doesn't work, like I said, then I won't do it again. You get all these packaging that you need to recycle, and I thought maybe I can use some of them, the smaller ones, to put in some soil, grow a few microgreens, and I'll just put them, when I'm done sowing, I'll just put them in my kitchen window. I've got one kitchen window that has always got something growing in it. So this is what I will do. And I've tried the parsley, the curly leaf parsley. I also tried the garden cress. The setup in my kitchen window is perfect. Here I can have a look at it every morning, see how it's doing, see if it needs water. So that suits me very well. I just realized that I never recorded the sowing of these seeds. That was my parsley and also my coriander seeds, but they're all done now. I've done one of parsley, two of coriander. And over here you can see my previous attempt at coriander, which I think came out quite okay. It's not too bad. Also here I've got garlic chives, which are doing well. I've just replanted them again. And now I need to plant the mint plant, which was so generously given to me by our next door neighbor. They always do these little things that makes such a big impact on your life. So as you can see, it's got quite a nice root system. And I use the same water to fill up the little hole so that it gets a very good start. Put it in, close it up nicely, and then water it very, very well.
I'm picking up books to get inside their heads.
And now for the last task of today is to put in my tomato plants in this pot. I've always had a few cocktail tomato plants in here and they did very well. So once again I'm doing that.
Friends like that. Even if it don't happen fast. There's so much more that I feel. I won't stop until I uncover. I believe in what I feel. I won't stop until I discover all that's beyond.
I'm always hoping for a little bit of rain after a day of planting seeds because that gives them the perfect boost to grow very well. So the next morning, look at this rain. And 2 days later, look at this coriander bursting out of its seams. Another day later, that is now 4 days after planting, look at the garden cress. It germinated very well. But I weren't so lucky with my pearly leaf, moss leaf parsley. But maybe we'll try again.